Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In the last video, we solved three basic string problems. Today we will continue with the string problem part 2. So these will be a little more challenging but still very beginner friendly. So what are we going to cover today? We will solve three medium level problems. Find the first non-repeating character in a string, check if two strings are anagrams, and find the longest word in a sentence. We will use loops, condition, and some built-in methods. So let's start with the first problem. Our first problem is we need to find the first character in a string that does not repeat. For example, in a string A, B, B, C, D, E. Uh, the answer is C because A and B repeat, but C appears only once. But if the string is A, B, B, and C, C, then the answer is none because every character is repeating. Now let's move to VS Code and write this out. So let's make the function write the function non-repeating, and it takes str string and let count equal to 0 and start a for loop. Let I equal to 0, I smaller than str dot length and I plus plus. If str of I equal to str of I plus 1, then I have to count plus, increment this count. Else means they are not equal. I have to check whether the count value is greater than equal to 1 or not, means I get repeating character or not. If it is, I just reset the count, else I just return the str of I and let str equal to A, B, B, and C, D, E, and console.log non-repeating str. If I run this node 1, I get C as the non-repeating character, first non-repeating character. If I add one more C, now I get D as the first non-repeating character. So what I am doing is I am just counting the characters here and just check whether they are equal. If both are equal, just increment the count. Else I check where if they are not equal, check whether the count variable is equal to 0 or greater than. If it is, means we already see the count variable repeating characters. If we do not see the repeating character, means count is equal to 0, we have to return that string that characters. So let's move to the next problem. Our second problem is the check if two strings are anagram. That means both strings should have the same characters, just in different order. For example, listen and silent. Both the strings have the same characters, L, I, S, T, E, and both the strings have the same characters. And hello and world are not the anagrams. So one easy way is to sort the both string and then compare it. So let's move to VS Code. So let str1 is equal to listen and let str2 is equal to silent. So both are the same. So I have to sort the, and for the sorting we have to write str1 dot split. First make it an array and then sort it, because the array has a sort function, built-in sort function. Then join it again into a string form, and same for the sort2 string2 variable, and split it and sort the string, then join them. Now compare it whether the sort1 is equal to sort2 and run this node 2. Yes, it is. If I change with the w or world, now I get false here. Why? Because they does not have the same characters. So now the third problem is the longest word in a sentence. So we are given a sentence and we need to find the longest word. For example, in this sentence, I love programming in JavaScript. The longest word is this programming here as the output. So the idea is very simple. Split the sentence into a word by using a space and then check which word has the maximum length. Means splitting a sentence by spaces means now we have to write the split based on the spaces, not just write the blank. Like I write a function longest word and it takes a variable str, means let longest, and it is an empty string. I have to return this all. And start a for loop. First I have to split them into a str dot split based on the space, and start a for loop. Let I equal to 0, I is smaller than str dot length and I plus plus. And if we have to check str of I dot length is greater than longest dot length. If it is, we have to just replace this with the str of I. Means we are just comparing the length of the in a sentence words and check with the longest dot length, and if it is true we just replace the longest word. So let str is equal to I love programming in JavaScript and run this function longest word str. What happened? Okay, now I get programming as the longest word. If I write this love, now I get the love as the longest word. So today we solve the three medium string problems. First, non-repeating characters, anagram check, longest word in a sentence. And we use both loop-based and method-based solutions. So try them yourself in VS Code. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.